Hi, today we are learn how to install WordPress in our local window. So, what is our topic is how to install WordPress in our install local server with like which type of server in our local and download WordPress file uh, through WordPress website, and after that we have to create a project, and after that we have to open MySQL and we have to set up a database, and then we have to run that folder in our local browser, Google browser, and then we have to set up WordPress and their password and all that thing what is necessary for set up a WordPress. So hello buddies, welcome to Precious Idea. I am Kumar. So we are discussing on how we can install WordPress in our local server. Okay. So first of all, what we have to need, what we have need, we have uh, we have to install a server. Like um, we we need a server to run all that run the WordPress thing. So we have two options, which is Xamp server or we have wamp server. So what you have to do, you can just come here Xamp server. You can also search on Google like Xamp download or Xamp only. You can see this URL. You have to come first on come first URL, which is apachefriends.org, and here you have to download that Xamp server on your local, and after that, and what about that wamp? You can go here and you can search on Google wamp, and you got that link wampserver.com, and after that you have to come here on that website, the first URL. Okay, and here you can see download, and you can see you have to come here and you have to download what WAMP server for 64-bit and 32-bit will be there, so you have to download it. Okay, so what today we are doing, we are installing Xamp on our window, and after that we have to install WordPress, and then we have to continue. Okay, so you can see this version having Xampp server and having PHP version 8.2.0. Okay, this is the latest version of PHP, so you can download it like for Windows this, Linux for this, and for Mac you can download this one. Okay, so I already installed this thing in my local. You can see when I installed it is here. Okay, and you when we have to go here, you will see like there's lots of file are coming here. Okay, so I will explain which file we need and what which file we have to edit and do anything. Okay, before that, what we have to do, one more thing, which is we have to go this website. Okay, wordpress.org and slash download. You can search, just go on Google and type WordPress download, and you got this URL on the first link, and you have to come here and download this file as well. Okay, I already did that all that thing, because it does not take too much time to elaborate all that thing in our tutorials. Okay, so I already did all that necessary thing in our video. So what we have to do now, all that URL like this one, all that thing I shared in the description. You can also get all that URL from our description. Okay, so coming here, let me open this. So when the Xampp is installed in your laptop, you what you have to do, you have to run that Xampp on your local. Okay, like this. When you run that command Xampp, you got this type of panel is open. You have to start only Apache and MySQL. Okay, when you open it, the server is start working. Now let me show you what happened. I have to go here and we have to search only local host. Okay, sorry, local host, and so you can see this page is open now. What is the meaning? Like the our server is working. If I go here and I will stop this server, you can see this page is stop working. This will be actually, yeah, you can see this site is not can't be reached because our server is closed and it is working local only. Okay, so we have to start the server, and then we have to come in this URL localhost. Okay, only we have to type localhost, and that page is redirect to our this page. Okay, so what we have to do now, first we have to come here, and in gem folder we have one folder which is named as htdocs. Okay, so we have to come here htdocs, and previously I already told you, like, I already download WordPress. It is a latest version 6.1.1. Okay, so you can see when you download it, you got this in compressed zip file. So you have to uncompress this file, and after that you got this type of file. Okay, like this. Okay, so let me copy this file, and what we have to do, uh, we can create a folder, like some project name, like what we have to do, Kumar. Okay, this my folder name is Kumar. Okay, I have to come here. What I did, I come here, and I just copy this all the three files, and I have to paste it here. Okay, the reason behind it why I'm doing this thing, because uh, we have to create a folder for a specific WordPress install in future if we want multiple WordPress website on a on the single download. So what we have to do, we have to come here, we have to keep that core file, and just we have to create a folder and just copy paste, and we can able to install all, like, multiple WordPress website in our on a single click. Okay, so what I did, I just copy that all that core files and just paste it in Kumar. Okay, Kumar is the folder which we are using as a project for now, what how to install the WordPress. Okay, so before that, when the it is downloading, let me come here. And now what we are doing, we have to open localhost phpmyadmin. Okay, so what we are doing right now, we are open our mysql. Here we have to create a database. The database are using for WordPress so before that we have to create a database name here, and that database name we have to use in our project as well. Okay, so to install the WordPress. Okay, let me come here, just give me a second. Yeah, that file is copy here. Okay, so let me come here. Now what we have to do, we here we have to localhost /kumar. Okay, when we run this command, so what happened, when we run this command, it automatically open our WordPress setup file. Okay, so in this setup file, let me check why it is taking too much time. It's taking a little bit time to load on, because this is the first core file, and it need to reloading time will be taking a little bit late. Boy, I don't know. Just wait, just some, because of some time it will take, because of some reason it will take some time. Okay, yeah, you can see the phpmyadmin is start working, and it is start loading. Just within a second, this page is load, and we have to create a database. Okay, so now finally the mysql database is run, and what we have to do, we have to create a database here. Okay, so click here. Still, actually this page is still loading, and because of that it is taking too much time. But what happened, when you are trying to do, maybe it's not taking too much time. For now, in my system it is taking little bit time, but but you can also try on your site. Hopefully it not taking too much time to you. Okay, so yeah, so I have to create a database here. So finally the database page is loaded and we have to create a database here, and after that we have to set up WordPress. Okay, so we have to what you have to do. You can see here we have one new button. Okay, so here we have I have to come here. Let me do one thing. Name it as like Kumar is my database name. Okay, just name it Kumar, and whatever that field is, the field value is, just leave it. Okay, no need to do anything. Just click on create, and you can see my database is created, and they want to create tables. No need to do all that setup. Will be do completely done by WordPress. You have now what you remember. I just searched localhost and slash Kumar, and it uh, redirect me on this page which is set up for WordPress. Okay, so we have to click on continue on WordPress page, and after that what we have to do, we have to set up the database. You remember, just create a database name which is name as Kumar, and what we have, I think you don't remember what is the username and the password. Okay, let me do that. Okay, so by default mysql having only the username is root and the password will be blank always. Okay, and that local database host, it will be localhost because we are using a localhost server right now, and the table prefix is wp. It is by default coming. If you want to change, you can do that, no problem, it works. Okay, so right now we are leaving this part. In other videos I will explain this is also for security purpose, we have to change it, but now we are just installing WordPress in our local, so just complete this part first. Okay, let me click on submit. Here you can see there is option will be coming, run the installation. When you click on this, the WordPress start installing, and all the tables what I say the previously, there is no table right now. Okay, I will show you when our installation is completed, all the like 12 to 13 tables automatically created right now. Okay, so this is site title, which is like, you can see WordPress installer, this is site title. Okay, so what we have to do, let it be Kumar. Okay, the username will be as well as Kumar, and the password is Kumar at the rate 1234. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, so if that they are saying this is weak, so we have to click this. If if you are using like this, they are saying yeah it is strong, then the option will be not coming. Okay, so we are using a weak password, so because of that it is coming. Okay, so because then you have to click on this, but I'll suggest you always use uh, tough password, because WordPress is sometimes it will hack because of your password is not good. Okay, so here we have to use one email ID which is like this. Okay, so we have to put our mail id, and yes, this is the important thing why it is coming and what is this. So when we are creating any website on live server, so live server is always in live position, so our website is start crawling on Google, and uh, our website is not developed properly. So this website is start crawling, and anyone can come on your website because of your website is crawling, and maybe sometime it will be crawl, and people will be start saying we are discuss all that thing. But right now what we have to do, we have to select this. Okay, this is search engine for indexing the site. Okay, now we have to click on install WordPress. The WordPress is start installing, and after that the website is then completely installed. We have to one page is coming which is saying like your username is this, and you have to you have to log in this page, and the WordPress is installed properly. And I will also show you all that table as well. Okay, so you can see this page is coming like successful WordPress and install and thank you and enjoy. Okay, so you can see here username is showing, but the password is like, where is the password? Okay, so we already we have to click on this login and we remember that password. Okay, because I saved that password, so it is coming right now. Okay, so you have to just log in here and you can able to see like your WordPress installed properly. There's no error, no anything will be coming. Okay, so WordPress installed, they are log in our page. Before that we have to come here and we can see how many tables they created, and you can see when we refresh this page, you can see they are creating around 12 tables. Okay, let me go on the database. This is the database Kumar. Okay, I can just click it. Let me it is taking little time to load it. Okay, so you can see here that all the tables will be loaded, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so 12 table automatically by default WordPress are created, and all that options will be, we explain all that table, which table we needed and what that table having. Okay, so you can see 12 table automatically by default WordPress share with you, and you can see as well this page is loading right still, and will show you, yeah, finally that localhost sorry, the WP admin will be loaded. Okay, so yeah, one more important thing, when in future you want to log in your page. Okay, so you have to come and you have to copy this thing, all the website name, like, let me show you here. You can also visit site and you have to click here. You can see this page is your website URL. Okay, this is a front end for people's automatically see this. Okay, this is a page, and when you put in WP admin. Okay, sorry, it is WP admin, enter, and you are automatically redirect to backend, the WP database. Oh, sorry, it is WP admin, which is dashboard of the website admin panel. So you have to remember this WP admin and you have to save in your notes as well. So now what happened when we install WordPress install, they are sharing you some by default themes, which is 2020 2030, like this. They are giving you three themes, which is 2023 2021 and 2022, and they also provide you two plugins which is compulsory they are giving you, which is first of all Hello Dolly and Ankismet anti-spam, which is this is not a usable plugin. I just thinking, but yes, this plugin is helpful for you. Okay, so this is the simple thing what how we can install WordPress in our local. In another video you we can see how we can set up WordPress in our local, like what is setting, what is tool, what is user, plugin, appearance, in appearance how many options will be coming, comments, pages, media, post, dashboard, and all about what is WordPress and all about the options they are giving by default, and how we can create a website in our website WordPress. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe it and like it, and whenever if you have any question, please comment. I will answer, I'll give you answer, and by definitely will I will provide you uh, one communication process. Okay, we are launching our website as well shortly.